How to use a shape in Affinity Photo to create a pattern design very quickly. Just go to the Tools panel and select one of the shapes. I'm using a star tool, and you can set it to anything you want. So go over here to Layers, and with Layers you can go to Effects. So click here, and you've got Gradient Overlay, so you can add additional overlays. But you can also go here to Blend Mode. So Blend Mode, and run through that, and maybe go with Difference, Vivid Light, etc. So you can combine this gradient and the other gradient, and you can change it in all kinds of ways. You can also add 3D. So let's just add a 3D, because you can add effects as well. Just go down here, you can see this, the fourth item, click there, live filters, and you've got a whole range of them. I'm just going to go for Twirl, and you can then change the angle, and you can see as you do that, the design changes. Now you can also modify the origin point, move it around, but I'm just going to go with something like that. And now you can rasterize it, because you need to rasterize it to make a pattern. So layer, and go down to rasterize. So rasterize, and the key thing is to turn that preserve off. If you don't do that, it will not work. Turn that off and rasterize. Simply go to layer and go to new pattern layer from selection, and you've got your design. And now I can resize it. Well, this pattern design can be duplicated. So hold down the Alt Option key with it selected, and that's on the keyboard, the Alt Option key, and you now got that design. Right click, and you can go down to Group. You need these to be selected. Personally, I prefer just to select all of them. If you just select the group, it doesn't unfortunately allow you to scale it particularly well. So I'm just going to go here, and now I'm going to resize. And you can resize it, you can rotate it. You can go over to Layer, and you can then rasterize the whole thing, or go to Merge Visible. So you make it one solid pixel layer. Now that's put it inside the group. I don't want that, so just drag it out. And there it is. And you can, of course, simply delete the group. And you've got your design there. Very quick design from a star. Add a few effects, layer effects, as well as live effects. And you can get this very, very quickly. Well, I hope you found that Affinity Photo tutorial of interest. Always adding new tutorials all the time. I think pattern designs are a really great feature of Affinity Photo, and it really makes it very easy to create them, especially using something very simple such as a shape. I mean, star designs, but there's lots of other shapes. And also, of course, you can create your own shapes as well. So you don't need to create just from that. You can combine them, but you can also use the pen tool, manipulate that in thousands of different ways, and then create pattern designs. Please subscribe to the channel. Say future videos, lots and lots of Affinity Photo ideas to come. And also I've got lots of other tutorials about Affinity Photo already on the channel. Also a like or dislike. And also if you've got any comments, it's always great to hear from you. I mean, if you've got any questions about how you use the features of Affinity Photo, please let me know. Bye.